Hi everyone, I'm Nicole with mmToolParts.com, and today we're going to show you how to change out and replace your brush holders on your Mag 77 Skilsaw. The parts you'll need for this is a brand new brush holder, which is part number 1619 X04 708, a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, a punch, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, and long needle nose pliers, and a T25 torque wrench. All right, let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is take our brushes out with our flathead screwdriver. There they go. Set that aside. Take the back side off. Okay. We're gonna take off our lever and our depth gauge here. First, we need to take the retainer off. Okay. Then we're gonna get our T25. And then we're also going to pull out these four off of the base of our armature holder. Okay, then you'll pull off your depth gauge. Get your last washer off, don't lose that. And now we're ready to pull off the back. Okay, so our next step is going to take this brush wire off of the field. You can see where my flathead is pointing. You'll use your flathead to pry off the wire. Okay, so once we've loosened that, then we're gonna turn around and get our Allen wrench to loosen the screw in the back here. And you don't want to pull it all the way out because you don't want to lose it. You just need it pulled out probably halfway just so that you can pull your old brush holder out. Okay. Now comes the fun part. We are going to pull this baby out. This is where you'll want your punch or your screwdriver to kind of push it through. See it slowly coming out. This is going to be the most time consuming is to loosen it because it's been in there probably for a while, so you're going to have to work to get it out. It's okay if you damage it because you're replacing it, so don't be shy. Watch out, Rachel. There she blows. There you have it. So let's get a new pretty one. Look at that, it's so nice. A little tip for you would be to sand around your holder just so that it will slide in easier because it's going to be real snug. So take some sandpaper, break it down a little bit, and it will go in a lot easier for you. Next, you want to make sure the grooves are lined up here with your line here. There we go, look at that. So push it in far enough so that your holder is flush with your armature. Then we're gonna get back our Allen wrench, tighten this back up. So that's what's holding our brush holder in place. All right, now we're gonna get that wire back in its spot. So this is where you want your needle nose pliers. And if you can see, we're just gonna get this wire back onto the field. Okay, so once you get the wire in the groove there, you're gonna push it. There we go. She's There we go. Now we can put it back together. Okay, now we're just gonna slide the armature housing back on. Okay, and then we're gonna put our 4 screws back in. All right, thanks for watching how to replace your brush holder. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you need any of the parts we used today, you can find them at mmToolParts.com, and we'll check you later.